Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this slow juicer, and AMZCHEF did send this over to us for us to check out. So first thing we're going to do is take our cup and place it here in front. You want to have the other cup over here on the other side to catch the pulp and stuff. Here on the back side, there's just a little switch. Push it one way and it goes, and then it kind of pulses if you need to reverse it in case there's any type of stoppage or anything. Up here you have this so that you can push stuff down inside of there. And then this part up here unlocks and locks. In order to take this top piece off, you need to take this and put it in the lock position right there. And then you turn this and then it will allow you to take this all out. That's nice so that you have access to all this and can easily clean it. It does come with a brush so that you can clean that out. I recommend cleaning that out right after you do that before it has time to dry in these little holes and stuff. And then this piece down here will just pop out, and your little auger thing down here will also pop out so that you can easily clean it. I've reviewed a few of these, and so far this one has been the easiest one in regards to taking it apart like that and being able to clean it. So again, in order to put this on, we're going to lift the top up. We're going to place it on here. That needs to be up. And then this just turns and locks here in the back. You got to give it a little bit of pressure. There you go. And then it locks. Get it set back up. Boom. And boom. And then, like I said, you got this up here. So let's go ahead and try it out. I do have some oranges here, as you see. I went ahead and peeled those. It's best to peel your oranges before you put them in here. Otherwise, they are going to be very, very tart. Unless that's your thing, go ahead and peel them. Go ahead and throw all three of those in there, and then we will start it up. All right, we'll go ahead and stop that. And last but not least, you do have a nice little release right here so that if you don't have something here, it won't just come pouring out. And then boom, just like that, there is our orange juice. Now, obviously you can drink it concentrated like this. You can water it down a little bit. You can mix it into like some smoothies, stuff like that. But overall, this thing works really great. The thing I like about it, probably the best, is how easy it is to clean. Like I said, this all just comes apart and you can easily access it. Some of the other ones I've reviewed, they're really hard to take apart, really hard to get in there, and it's just a pain. But this one right here does a great job. It's easy to clean, makes it easy to maintain. Highly recommend it. Go ahead and check this one out.